there we go. High tech. Right. Oh, everything's still okay in it. Right. I've had this truck about 3 years, and one of the things that obviously MOT and everything else, and that's, you know, I got a couple of months, but one of the things that keeps coming up on the MOT is that this is broken. Now, as you can see, it's been broken for, wow, as long as I've had it. And whilst it's not actually an MOT failure, it does keep coming up on the MOT and what have you. And you know, it's the type of thing that if you drove through certain states in America, you know, they'd put you in prison for it. So whilst I was using the Evil Bay earlier on this week, I noticed that there was a company selling Mark II Ranger tail lights. Now I'm assuming, as you can see, because if you look at these two here, that one there, now I've replaced that because that was proper knackered. However, that's it's a Chinese, well, it's all Chinese anyway, isn't it? But that is a slightly different. But this one here is obviously the original one. Now this company was selling them, I think it was like 25 quid delivered, and I thought, do you know what? I can't, you know, I can't not get that. Can't not get that? Can't not. I bought it. Anyway, so I've decided that I'm going to replace. And the hilarious thing is I bought it and it comes with all the bulbs and the loom and everything else. I mean, the bulbs have got to be worth a £5. Do you know what I mean? And not that there's anything wrong with the bulbs in it, but still, you know. This is obviously... That's obviously the genuine Ford cluster. It's obviously seen better days. You know, I'd normally just stick a bit of sellotape over it, like, you know. But it's cracked so bad, and as you can see, it's actually... And I don't particularly want to play on the goodwill of the MOT tester, you know, because he could see that, and it's got a bit dark in there, and yeah. So I decided, and like I said, 25 quid, come up on eBay. And I thought, do you know what, I can't, and I tell you something else as well. Powerful parts. Seriously, powerful parts. I just couldn't leave it there, do you know what I mean? Oh, it's a bit shiny. There we go. See how, oh, even new screws as well. And the amazing thing, like I said, it comes with the bulbs. The bloody bulbs, look. So in theory, it's literally just unplug one, plug it back in. Have I accidentally lost, on purpose, I have, haven't I? Oh well. Oh, no, there it is. If a chap was so inclined, he might actually buy the other side to match him up. Because that's, oh, I don't know. Oh, yeah, the sun will sort that out. Anyway, so, right, so what we need to do now, get that out there. Now, let's see. We're slumming it today, yeah. Although this thing should be more than man enough for this job. I believe that it is quite literally just... Wait out. Hey! There's not many things that can do one-handed. This turns out to be one of them. So, So. Ooh. No. 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 Oh, it's never simple. It's never simple, is it? Oh. It's the wiring for the reverse lights on the camera. Bugger. Do you know what? If I didn't know better, I'd say they were the same thing. Because they've got the same mould marks on it and everything. Oh well. Either way, it might not be, you know, genuine, but it's a quality replacement. Now that's not a major issue, is it? None of it's a major issue, but it does mean I have to make the same thing happen there, which I'm inclined to do, unless I just put this back in here, which again isn't a major issue. I will swap our bulb over. Perhaps I'll just... there's no problem with the wiring. Decisions. Right, the decision has been made that I'm going to clean this up a bit. I'm going to check these contacts out in here actually. Go on. Okay. Now, that's got a nice... Whilst there's nothing, this is perfectly functional. The other bin is nice and clean and functional. It's got a little bit more life left in it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add a bit more. We're just going to have to plumb in the new one as we did with the old one. A recent purchase, but ultimately, do you know what? It's surprisingly good. There you go, soldering temperature. It does, yeah, it works. It's a good bit of kit. I was surprised when I used it for the first time the other day. It was like I didn't have high expectations, and there you go. Suddenly it met them and exceeded them because they weren't high. Meh. Now, I could use the old soldery jointy type things, that, but I haven't got any with me here. And I'll be honest, I've got the other gear here. I've got something. I've got a piece of kit that's more than capable of. So that's what we're doing. If I left the bloody bulb in the workshop, Beautiful. Ooh, this could be a little bit more. Ah. I reckon what we'll do, let's have a bit of a test before we stick it all back on there. Tail, excellent. That ain't working. That is not working. Yeah, that ain't working. Never simple. Right, I've got, okay, so we're losing a bit there. Anyway. Right, and then on, off. On. Right. It's the connector, which is good in some ways, but not in others. Now, do I take the pins out and clean them, or just try and clean them in there? Right. Never simple, never simple. Another quick 10-minute job turned into God knows what. In all honesty, this connector is absolutely, it's green, but a lot of the time you clean it just by putting a screwdriver down it and jiggling it out. This one is actually pretty, I could take, because you can depin this and fiddle around with it, and clean it with some sort of acid, or you could just poke this in here. The resistance to these connectors must be well high as well. I was only getting 11.5 volts out of it, so it wouldn't have been the best. But then again, I don't know with this truck what the looking at the wiring, it's not brilliant to say the least, but what do we reckon? What do we reckon? Ah! So that's got a, mind you, quick 5-minute job turned into, ooh, I've got a tool for that. So that's all working there now. So let's get a complete rundown of all the lights. Oh yeah. Works foreman, checking everything over. Oh. Now, if I was a man that was worried about a little bit of colour difference, I'd be, you know, worried about a colour difference. But in all honesty, I can't remember when I think the one that was on it when I bought it was that bad. I had to replace that, and that has not been the best of units. It has not lasted well. I might, for 25 quid, get another one. Don't know. I mean, there's nothing that works, so, and it passes the MOT, so why? Oh, look at that. It's like somebody's been off-roading in it. Anyway, job done. It's alright, that. It's alright, that.